your girl P.E.B. Beauty, back at it again with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing like a look on this winter look that I did today. It's a quick and easy winter look if you just want to, you know, have like winter vibes. Blue, white, you know, shimmers, they're always like go-tos. So I will be showing you how I did that in this video. Just keep on watching. So I actually already went ahead and did the base on my eyes. I went ahead and did the base on my eyes already. I used the color 02 for P.E.B's their pro base. This is bomb. This is good. So we're gonna do like a quick and easy winter sort of kind of look. It's gonna be very like natural sort of, I shall say. So I'm gonna be going in with my James Charles palette. This palette is bomb. I love this palette. So when you think of like winter, I think of like blues, you know, whites. So the colors don't have names, so we're just gonna have to go by, you know, what it say on here. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest color on the palette, which is this blue. Not this one, that's a shimmer. This one right here. And then I like to like pack some off. That's crazy, you can see it dusting away. So to just pack it in first into the outer corner and then work my way in, just like that. And it's okay if it looks messy because you don't get it, you know, popping soon. All right, so I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. Y'all, I like really want to do this like Vlogmas type of thing, even though this is not a vlog, but I'm still counting the video as something. So yeah, you know, I appreciate everyone for supporting me. So, you know, so I'm gonna go back in and just pack some more of that blue in. I'm gonna pack some more in. Pack that mother effer in. I love the holidays. Like, I really love Christmas. I've been Christmas shopping already, y'all. Like, I love Christmas. Like, my favorite holiday of the year. So then I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. It looks purple, but it's blue. Yeah, I'm gonna blend that over the top of this one. So yeah, y'all, Christmas is like my favorite holiday. I love shopping for others. Like, it's so fun. Like, I don't know why, I just like it. It's super fun. It's super fun shopping for others, and like, I get excited. Some people, like, I know so many people that get like stressed while shopping for others, and honestly, I enjoy it. That thing be fun. That crap be fun. I always go like overboard for people. I don't know why. A lot of people ask me why, but honestly, that's just me. So yeah. So as you can see, I'm just blending it all in together now. And yeah, this is like a two, like you get the dark color here, and then as it fades out to a lighter color. So like that, y'all. And if you're wondering what I got on my lips, it's Glossed It. I love that lip gloss. It's so moisturizing, y'all. It's so moisturizing, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't go to no Beauty For You no more for my glosses, and I'm gonna go back in with that blue in the corner. Yeah, I don't go to Beauty For You no more for my glosses. And if you have not tried those glosses out, you tripping. I suggest you go order some. Also, that's what it's gonna look like. It's like really easy. I just used 2 colors, that was it. So now I'm gonna cut my crease with this, y'all. I don't know why, but creases are like my go-to. Excuse me. Yeah, creases, yes, that is my go-to. All right, so actually, I wanted to try something different, but all right, so I'm making it like this. Like, I don't want too much on there. So now I'm gonna be going in with like this frosty blue, and I'm gonna put that frosty blue like on the outer corner right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but do y'all like the holidays? Because I love the holidays. I keep talking about it just because, y'all, I suck at telling stories. I really do. Like, I don't know why. Now I'm going to be going in with the white. So, yeah. I love Christmas. Y'all, like, sometimes I don't know what to get people. God, we don't want to get them, but I'd be like, you know what? They gonna like this. They gonna love this. So, yeah. I normally don't do my foundation first. I did it just for this video. I usually do my foundation last, just because the fact that, okay, so just because, like, you know, you get fallouts and stuff, but it's okay. It's okay because you can always clean that up. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy winter look, and I'll see y'all in my next video.